We all have these dreams. If you're 50 years old and older, or you're on your way to pension one of these days, we all have these dreams of not having debt anymore. No car debt. You must have a car that you've already paid off. Us guys, we like to have a bike. I've got a bike. I don't owe any money on it. And that's what my dreams. And I'd like to, most of us would like to have a nice little house there by the ocean, next to the ocean, or in the bushveld, uh, or a cabin next to a dam or a river, without any debt. But there's always those little things in life that you'd like to get, and everything costs money. If you don't have the money to buy things, how do you live without that? So you gotta look after yourself on your way forward. If you on your last days, you'd like to enjoy your life, wouldn't you? Well, my dream is to have my own home where I can return to, but I want to travel and through our country and enjoy all the things I haven't enjoyed before. No? Traveling, coming back home, and that's just as fun. After you've been traveling for a time, coming back home is just as great. There's no place like home, you know that. So to look after yourself, if you don't have an income at the age of 50 plus, what are you going to do? So I've got the solution for you to invest in the Legacy Builders program, where you buy your own business. You earn in American currency. Could be on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. It depends on how much effort and work you put in there. Like any other job, you still have to work, but you have a proven blueprint. And your business will be yours. And it's you don't find a business that works 24/7 for you in the background. Even when you're sleeping, this business runs in the background. So, if you want to know more about the Legacy Builders program, contact me. Leave a comment there in the comments and say legacy, and then I can send the blueprint to you. Have an awesome day.